Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your Clipchamp project and confirming essential edits are complete. Trim any final clips, lock tracks, and balance audio levels so export won't need last-minute fixes. Once done, set your project resolution and frame rate, for example 1080p at 30 fps to match your delivery platform, and make sure autosave finished. If Clipchamp asks, sign into your Microsoft account and save the project to the cloud so you won't lose progress during export. Now choose export settings that balance quality and file size. Select 1080p or 4K if you need sharp visuals, otherwise 720p or 480p for smaller files. Pick MP4 for broad compatibility and adjust bitrate. Higher bitrate for motion-heavy footage, lower for talking heads. Make sure captions and chapters are enabled if you need them, and opt into hardware encoding if your machine supports it to speed the process. Review estimated file size and confirm settings before exporting. Click Export and watch the progress bar. Avoid running heavy apps simultaneously to prevent CPU spikes that can stall rendering. Once export completes, play the final file entirely to verify audio sync, correct resolution, and that captions burned or embedded as intended. If export fails or output is corrupted, first clear Clipchamp cache or restart the app, then retry with a lower resolution or bitrate. If that still fails, re-export segments individually and stitch them together. This often isolates problem clips.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.